today we are at a critical point in the world of manufacturing. It's the time of significant changes, moving from the days of the Industrial Revolution to the digital era, and now stepping into the future with generative AI. Let's dive into how things have changed, the impact on how we work, and what it meant for different types of customers. So our story starts with the Industrial Revolution, a time of big data, like the steam engine, machines that could make things, and parts that were all the same. This was when we first figured out how to make many things quickly and the same way every time. Even though machines started doing more work, people were still crucial for ensuring everything ran smoothly, helping us do more in less time. Then we came with the digital age. This was the whole new chapter for making things with computers, robots, and technology that let us design and make things in new and a precise way. We started connecting machines and the internet, making it possible to fix problems before they happen and get even better at making things. Now we are starting an exciting chapter with the generative AI. This means machines that can think and learn, robots that work with people and make things in a way that's good for the planet. This new technology will help us to make decisions on our own, change how we make things depending on what's needed, and keep everything running smoothly. So generative AI is also changing how we provide services. It helps us from the start to the end, figuring out what's needed, planning and setting things up, and keeping them going. So with AI, we can predict problems before they stop production, save money on fixing things, and keep our equipment in top shape. So manufacturing industry isn't just one thing. It covers cars, planes, consumer goods, and medical devices, each with its challenges, like improving things, improving quality, and managing supplies. So Gen AI and what we offer are here to tackle these challenges, from predicting when things will need for fixing to ensuring we are making what's needed in the best way possible. But bringing these situations to life means dealing with data and old systems and making sure everyone has the skill they needed. So let's discuss the essential needs of business in AI within the realm of discrete manufacturing, the challenges we face in meeting these needs, and the core offerings Xenonstack brings to tackle to these issues. So firstly, let's focus on efficiency. Manufacturers constantly seek AI solutions to enhance operational efficiency, streamlining these processes and reduce production cost. The goal here is clear: doing more with less and doing it better. Next, the spotlight is on quality enhancement. The demand for tools that improve product quality, minimize defect, and ensure adherence to industry standard is growing. Quality isn't just a metric, it's a promise to our customers. So predictive maintenance is another significant need. Downtime is the enemy of productivity. So through predictive maintenance solutions, manufacturers aim to minimize unexpected breakdowns, optimize the performance of their assets, and ultimately extend the lifespan of their equipment. So optimizing the supply chain is crucial. AI-driven forecasting, inventory management, and logistic optimization stands at the core of operational efficiency, ensures that products are delivered on time and costs are controlled. So lastly, customization and personalization are becoming increasingly important. The ability of tailored products to meet their individual customer demands through AI-enabled manufacturing processes is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. So let's discuss about challenges in discrete manufacturing. So implementing these AI solutions has its own challenges, like data integration from various sources within manufacturing facility is very complex. Ensuring data quality, accuracy, completeness, reliability is vital for the success of any AI application. So legacy systems pose a significant hurdles, often need to be more capable with new AI technology and requiring considerable modernization investment. The skill gap is another critical issue. That's where pressing use for professional skills is both manufacturing and AI. Moreover, navigating regulatory requirements and compliance standards, especially concerning data privacy and security, also adds another layer of complexity to implementing AI solutions. So addressing these needs and overcoming these challenges, Xenonstack core offering includes AI-powered predictive maintenance. So our solution leverage AI algorithm to predict equipment failure, optimize machine schedules and significantly reduce downtime. Next one is quality control and assurance. So we provide AI-driven quality control system that analyze production data in real time to detect defects, ensuring product quality and compliance with standards. So in conclusion, while integrating AI into discrete manufacturing comes with various benefits that increased efficiency, quality enhancement, predictive maintenance, optimized supply chain and customization capabilities are transformative. So Xenonstack is committed to being at the forefront of this revolution, providing the tools and expertise to turn these challenges into opportunities. Thank you.